So hey guys, my name is Ryan. I'm Ratsas Now let's go to the hitbox tutorial. Now before we start the tutorial, we need to actually I just want to tell you what is a hitbox. So a hitbox is something that would deflect do damage to the enemy, and there's like two more uh things that would same as the hitbox. Like, I don't know, I can't speak right now. It's named hurtbox, which is like receiving the damage, and box, I just made that up so it's easy to use. uh that used normally on platformers and top-down games. So after knowing of that, all of that information, let's go to the tutorial, I guess. All right, so you know this, like combat thing, like, like if you use the code to touching the player, that means the player can't go past through the enemy. It's basic like that. You could go, you couldn't go past the enemy. And now there's an alternative way. So if you go past the enemy, you don't deal damage to the player or just like annoying. There's an alternative way named hitbox. So you just make this. There you go. Copy the player. Copy, paste. Now there you go. Now you just go to there. It's like a square, like that, and make a square in there. Like make you can make a symmetrical square, any square. I like to make it red, so it's visible to the human eye. Now I need to test it out with this. Ew. Yep, that's visible. Now this is just actually just for guidance. Like 50. There you go. And what is the code for like the hitbox? So the code is actually this. Green cut click forever. Go to player like this. What's the player again? No. There you go. Go to player. When you do it, there you go. Let's send this man in the back. Go to back. And after that, what? Oh yeah, hide it. I hid it. Ow. So after that, we need to actually make the hitbox to deflect damage to this. But first, yeah, let's go do it. Now let's just change it to the hitbox. But like when you do it, like always be there. So like the alternative option is like, wait for a second. Uh, is oh yeah, to make a new variable, not a variable. Geez. I can't speak today, sorry. Make a broadcast named Tick. There we go. I'm gonna use a quick one. Place it on top of your animation thingy. And after that, we're gonna receive thick, what's thick? Thick, there you go. Show. Now, oh my god, I'm lost. Here's an, oh, now here. Wait for one. So basically you need to count for animations like wait block. It's like this, like just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. For me it's 5, 0, no, 0.05. There you go. And then just hide it. Hide it. There you go. And change. Already changes the hitbox. So now it should be working. It should be working. Nope. Should be working. It works, but there's like left over this like red thingy. Like we don't want that in the game because it'll ruin like the the art of the game. So what are we gonna do is actually go here, set ghost effect to 100. So if you see here, let me just like that. You see here, that means when I punch, you see you don't see the circle. So you can do that. That's the base of the hitbox. That's only the base for the hitbox. For the next video, I'm gonna introduce you to hurt box and collision box. So, bye. My name is Rai and I am Retroscript and goodbye.